Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So I've recently started working with this hairstyling brand and I'm like creating a bunch of content for them video wise for their Instagram and all their other blogs and stuff like that. So that's really exciting for me. That's just like a little side thing that I'm doing, helping other people create content instead of just creating my own content for my YouTube channel. But I want to share with you guys the products that they sent over to me. It's rechargeable hair straighteners, so they're cordless, which is awesome, and I was super interested in it and super excited to work with them. I want to do kind of an unboxing because they came so cute in the package, and I love unboxing videos, and I'm really excited. I haven't opened the box yet. Like, I opened like the big giant box that everything came in, but I haven't opened the cordless straighteners yet, or the hairbrush, or the clips, or any of that. So I want to open them on camera with you guys because they're so pretty. They're like marble. They're literally like an Instagram girl's dream is these straighteners and these styling tools, so I'm really excited to dive right into it. So before we get started on this short little unboxing video, if you like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and let's just get right into unboxing these really fun and fresh styling tools. I hope you guys can see. I know it's a little bright, but we have these two dual straighteners. We have a hairbrush, we have hair clips, we have an on-the-go hairbrush, which, girlfriend, I need because my hair is always so knotty. But yeah, so I've been doing a lot of random freelance stuff, and I'm so excited to work with a brand that is so aesthetic and so my vibe. So here is two straighteners. So this one is, oh gosh, this one is the black rechargeable cordless straightener. This one is the white rechargeable cordless straightener. Their brand, Lunata, will be down in the description if you guys want to check them out on Instagram or whatever. Okay, hi, editing Bianca here. Wow, that's a really super flattering face. Just wanted to let you guys know that I have a discount code, and that's dope. So you can use code Bianca15 for 15% off at lunatabeauty.com. Everything again will be linked in the description for your ultimate convenience. Okay, back to the video. Oh, wow, this feels nice. This feels really nice. So here's just like a tiny to-go on-the-go brush with their little logo on it. It's like metallic rose gold, and this feels like very matted. I don't know if you could hear it. Listen. It feels really good. Let's see how it brushes. My hair's really knotty right now, so. Oh yes. There we go. So the bristles are like actually really nice. They're detangling. I think this is, yeah, this is a Untangle Me wet/dry brush in mini. I hate when my hair's really knotty when I'm out in public, but carrying a giant brush just is so impractical. So this is really fun. Okay, now this is their bigger brush in the same exact thing. This is their Untangle Me wet/dry brush in large, which is their normal brush size. So here's the bristles. Again, oops. It's a brand, Lunata Hair, Lunata Beauty on Instagram. Here's their cute little logo again. And again, it's like super matte. Like it feels, yeah. Oh, we like her. I'm glad about this. Me ripping my hair out and like throwing it on the floor. Oops. Okay. Some fun little hair clips. I actually, you know, it's really funny. So I'm someone who cares more usually about my hair than my makeup. Obviously not today, but I've never owned these clips before, which is really fun to me because I feel super professional and cute with these, but I've never owned these before. Like, I've never went out of my way to buy them, so I'm really excited that they sent them to me. The fun part is the straighteners, and I'm so excited to unbox them. I literally haven't unboxed these yet, so let's just get started with her. So she is the white one in the wireless rechargeable styler for touch-ups on the go. Lunata Hair, gorgeous hair anywhere. So cute. So here's how we open her. She opens up. It has all like the information here. It's like, welcome to the wireless revolution. What will you do with your newfound freedom? So cute because, again, these products are totally cordless. I'm like, wow, this is really fun. This like makes traveling easy too, I feel, because I hate bringing my curling iron and my straightener places. So I feel like with this straightener, since it is super sleek and thin, I could curl my hair with this too. And it's like, what do I have to bring? Like, there's no cords in the way. This is how, literally this is how you charge it. Just, actually this way. Boom. That's so easy. I'm shook. And here's just like the little instruction book. Wow, it's like that's it. It's really pretty. It feels really nice. I'm not going to test out these products in this video. Again, this is just an unboxing, but you could go on their Instagram and stuff to see how the products and how other girls use the products, and boys. I'm more just amazed that somebody came up with the idea of like, oh, the cord keeps getting in the way when I'm doing my hair, so I kind of just want to rip it off and have a cordless one. This is weird, random, but for me, when I'm doing my hair, and I'm curling my hair, my cord wire always gets caught on the bottom of my vanity, because I usually do my hair in my bathroom, and it always gets caught underneath, and I end up like it like messes up my curls, or it messes up my like flow that I'm going in, because it gets stuck underneath, or it gets stuck on the knobs. Like, I don't know if that happens to any of you guys, but this is like a game changer. I'm really excited to start using that, hopefully switch it into my actual hair care routine all the time. So fun. The second one is way heavier. I think this is like their main one. Like heavier, not straightener wise heavier, but heavier. The box is heavier. I took a sneak peek in this before, and I know that there is a big pouch in it, so that's really fun and exciting. And again, it says the same thing over here. What would you do? Yeah, what will you do with your newfound freedom? Which, so freaking cute. I like this. I am living for this right now. So this one comes in a pouch, rose gold little zippers. Oh, she's so cute. I get so excited about pretty packaging. Like, pretty packaging is my jam. Like, if it's pretty and it's in a store and it's like something that I don't really need, but I'm like, wow, that's gorgeous, I want to display it somewhere, I buy it. So good looks on that. It's like metal and resin. It's their logo. Again, this is like the same matting as the brushes, so love that. Let's open this bad boy up. Boom. Okay, so got a little silicone packet. Love her. So I took the manual out and the little silicone packet out, because we don't need that right this second. And here is, I hope this is focused. Yes, so here is the matte black straightener with the rose gold accents. It feels really silky smooth. This is the charging station, and obviously to charge the charging station, you plug it in. And this is, oh my god, sick. Oh my god, I had no idea what this was. This is awesome. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a converter, like a USB, what are they called? The plugs, like an outlet converter. So when you're in America, oh my god, this is awesome. Look. Oh my god, this is so awesome. This would have been perfect for my friend. She just did, oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, sorry. My friend just did a wedding in Greece, but obviously we're from the States, so when she had to bring, like, she's a hair and makeup artist, so she had to bring all of her hair tools and all of her makeup products. Makeup products don't need to be charged, obviously, but all of her hair tools needed to have an outlet converter, so I gave her my big outlet converter. I have a bunch of them because I travel a lot. Well, not in recent months, but this is a legitimate hair product converter to make sure that your products don't blow out when you go overseas or across the pond or wherever you go. You slide up all the plugs. So this one obviously is the 2-prong. This is for America. Whoa. This one I know this is for like Israel and Europe, not for the UK, but this is for Israel and Europe. And this one is for, yep, for the UK, it's the little square prongs. Dude, this is so cool. So instead of bringing your whole shebang and having everything all crazy all over the place, this kit. Dude, I'm not even like being weird right now and trying to be like, oh my god, this is amazing, go buy it, because like I don't, wow, that was awesome. So I'll show you guys an overview of all the products right here. I hope you guys liked this unboxing video. Again, if you want to check this out, their links to everything will be in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this style video, a little more chill unboxing video. And now I gotta go do my hair. Okay guys, really quick, just popping in because I just did my hair with the straightener, and I never like fully straighten my hair. I always kind of straighten it so it kind of looks blown out, and then I like twist the ends to make it a little wavy, a little curly. And this is how my hair came out. So I actually really like it. It was really super easy to, I really liked it. I think it was super easy, especially because the spins and the twirls, look, they didn't get in the way. Like usually the straightener kind of gets like a little wrapped around your hair and it gets annoying and the cord gets tangled, but I really think this was like A1 considering there's no cord. So I think it did a good job on getting hot enough without having a cord, because I know sometimes traveling straighteners don't get too hot, and especially I have very thick frizzy curly hair, so to get things straight kind of like usually sucks, but it looks like it got blown out, so I'm down for that. So that was a really quick brief intermission. Now back into let's get back into the unboxing. But anyway, I hope you guys just enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!